Hello Sicilians, welcome to Sicilian TV, your very own channel dedicated for celebrating the achievements and power of BNI community. I am Dr. Meet Ramadri from BNI. Let's begin with stories of in and around BNI with Sicilian Bulletin. So let's kickstart with some exciting news from BNI Symposium. This year we celebrated 10 years of BNI in Ahmedabad. We also witnessed 130 exhibitors, 5,000 one-to-ones, and some insightful stories from prominent speakers from Bollywood. For the first time, we introduced the elevator pitch contest in BNI, and the winners are Milan Bochiwal from Artemisia, Jay Pandya and Bhumin Mashruwala from Maximus. Our gala night, very well known as our own Oscars. What an end to 3 days of symposium. The celebration with family and for some outstanding performances. So many congratulations to the winners of BNI Got Talent, BGT. The group edition winner is BNI Vinci. The solo category winner is Abhishek Soni from BNI Zenobia. First runner-up is Tapan Vyas from BNI Hades. And second runner-up, Ruthwich Pandya from BNI Anthropos. Let's switch gears from Symposium to equally exciting the Sicilian Premier League. 12 teams, 192 players participated with chapter members cheering passionately. And the final was mind-boggling. The results are out, and congratulations to the winning team, that is Korach Krakens, and runner-up Fashion TV Faros. And big thank you to all the sponsors to making this event possible. BNI's story of growth. So let's celebrate and welcome the new addition in our team. The North Gujarat is now with active 130 members across 3 cities. And the latest addition is BNI Agon, which was launched on 28th May. A big congratulations to launch and the support team. The Senior Director Launch, Nilesh Sitlani, Launch Director Chetan Patel, Launch Ambassador Ami Pandya, Support Ambassador Chirag Soni, and Area Director Nachikit Patel. We also welcome new chapters in Ahmedabad region, BNI Drogon and BNI Picasso. BNI Drogon, Senior Director Launch, Nilesh Sitlani, Launch Director Yashwant Patel, Launch Ambassador Yash Danani, Support Ambassador Tarang Vyas, under the guidance of Support Director Virang Bhandari, Senior Support Director Vital Parikh. For Picasso, the team is Senior Director Launch Mihir Mehta, Launch Director Arend Choksi, Launch Ambassador Alka Shah and Hina Mistry, Support Ambassador Ruchi Shah, under the guidance of Support Director Girish Nambia, Senior Support Director Rohan Saraf. Make sure you connect with these Sicilians and extend a warm welcome. While we are celebrating the addition of new chapters, the existing chapters, the old chapters are also celebrating their milestones. Congratulations to BNI Atlas, celebrating 10 years and doing business of 650 crores, out of which 19 crores of business done in single meeting. We have BNI Crixus celebrating 5 years and BNI Poseidon and BNI Petra celebrating 4 years. So let's achieve more milestones and more celebrations together. As we continue to grow our membership, our chapters are thriving very hard to get members more business by organizing one-to-one conclaves. So over 90 members from Ahmedabad, Himmatnagar and Mehsana, BNI Prometheus, BNI Diomedes and BNI Oracle witnessed a milestone of getting more business on board. So as we proceed further, there are chapters who are setting up milestones of cross-chapter one-to-one. So there was a one-to-one organized as JAM Conclave. BNI Zeus from Ahmedabad, BNI Eklavya from Jamnagar and BNI Brahma from Morbi witnessed amazing business opportunities and exchange their references with each other with this conclave. Now it's the time to showcase some extraordinary exciting news, that is, some chapters have participated in an international conclave. BNI Prometheus organized its first international conclave in East Africa. Isn't it exciting? Next exciting news, BNI Hercules organized its first international conclave with BNI Bulgaria. These initiatives show the power of BNI, the power of BNI International Connect, and the power of the chapter members who can go out of the way and do business across the borders. So let's explore it further. We should not leave any stone unturned, utilizing all the platforms of BNI. So let's celebrate the achievements of our chapters. Many congratulations to BNI Maximus, BNI Chronos, BNI Anthropos, and BNI Olympus. So due to their DYFCB, they got a presence in BNI India newsletter. So many congratulations once again. A special congratulations to BNI Leonidas for achieving 100 crores of business, and that is a beautiful milestone. These numbers are proving that the members are super dedicated and they are excited to grow their business to the next level through BNI. So well done, Sicilians. At BNI, we are not just focusing on business, but also on learning and development. So to prove this, BNI Magnus organized its exclusive training for their chapter with 90% of the presence. Wow, isn't it amazing? So this wraps up the Sicilian Bulletin. You can have your presence in this bulletin by sharing your experience and achievements with us. So next part of the exciting show is Sicilian Tales, wherein our three guests will be sharing their experience and their journey through BNI. Hello everyone, so welcome to the first episode of Sicilian Tales. So we have three exemplary members of BNI. So they are Vivek Goenka. He is into corporate gifting and a member of Atlas since 10 years. Dr. Aplu Bhatt, she is a dentist at Vasupuja Dental Care and a 6-year-old Maximus member. She got awarded for People's Choice Entrepreneur Award 2024. Architect Shakil Kimani, he is a member of BNI Vinci since 6 years. He is the person who designed BNI Office. So welcome to the show. So I would like to begin with the female because we have a majority here as a professional also, and she is the Entrepreneur of the Year. And I would like to ask you the first question. So women are finding it difficult to have work-life balance, networking, along with it the professional life. You're a doctor, you're a busy doctor. So how do you manage it, and how did you choose to network along with your profession?
I would rather say I'm the best exemplification of how it can be done, because I joined BNI when my twins were 1.5 years of age. They weren't even 2. They were preterm. They had a very bad immunity and they used to keep falling ill a lot. So I was any which ways juggling between career and kids. And to add on to BNI was one more thing that I'm going to add on to my own schedule. But I must say that the very first meeting that I attended for BNI, Maximus, I still remember the education slot, I still remember the president's speech, and I still remember that I stayed back 1 hour post the meeting. I've made friends from that particular meeting which have stayed back with me. I have more supporters for myself as a female, as a woman entrepreneur in that room today also than I ever had outside that room.
Vivek, I would like to ask you that you were probably coffee table member?
Yes.
Yes. So how was the first journey wherein you are now, it's like a deserted land wherein you are just few of you having cup of water and sipping from that?
See, that was why that situation is always good, because there are no ideas, there are no inputs, and of course there are least of the smart people around. So whatever you want to do, you have to do of your own.
There were no precedents.
Yes, there were no precedents.
Amazing.
And everything what you do is right. There is no scope that you can even think of that whatever you have done, is this right or wrong? It is right, definitely. So you have that right stamp always. Now later stages, all the right things, how either it has to be modified, or then you realize, okay, now nobody knows that story, so let us keep.
Do you find any opportunity to implement the knowledge of BNI into your day-to-day professional life?
Endless. So having a background of SEPT University, and if you are aware, so I was in the typical hippie culture of SEPT University, and coming from there to here, in itself this transformation is a huge transformation where I am sitting with such elite members over here. And then the way we even approach the client, the value addition that we focus on, the kind of commitment that we can give to the client because of again that power team that we have that is supporting us so strongly. That is where BNI makes a huge difference. This is where a lot of learnings of BNI is what we have implemented within our profession.
Doctors usually feel they cannot go into networking events, they cannot market or brand themselves. They are the big brand themselves, that is, as a patient is coming to them. So as a doctor, how do you feel, as a on a larger perspective, how do you feel a doctor should join the networking platform?
I think BNI is an amalgamation of a lot of business ventures. So you don't enter the room just to get business out of that room. You enter the room to enhance your business. How can you provide more quality to your business skills, to your entrepreneur skills? How effectively you can manage your time juggling a lot of things, because that's something which is never taught in your medical or dental school. The basics of MBA that you say, the business administration, that's not taught to us. So that this room teaches you that. What you receive from the room is much more larger than what you can bring to the table. So it's
your branding and awareness build up rather than you're getting into a marketing thing. You cannot market and sell on the room, of course. Yeah, first of all, I would like to congratulate you for your gifting business, which is going with good leaps and bounds. So what made you confident on collaboration at the first go? What was just share the incidents with us.
One day when we were sitting in a power team meeting, and as I was so enthusiastic about, let's do something together, let's come and let's collaborate, put a proposal in, when that room is so powerful, any idea you put in, it becomes like much bigger than what you have put in that in front of all the people. And luckily I got to one of the best chapter members who came forward, and they said, okay, it seems like a good idea, and let's tell me how we can do it. And of course, as the name was Baywalk, it was already registered. Immediately we started working on, and then we thought of, okay, let's get this in properly corporate gift, because that is the only thing which was in my mind, because I personally always been a PR person, so corporate is something which I liked, and the only thought behind being into collaboration is no one is perfect. So looking to make you perfect in all the fields, better you pick and choose the smart people around who have their own identity, who have their own way of doing the work, which I might not be that powerful. So one person is good in finance, the other person how to handle the clients, how to get more clients.
Great. And do you collaborate in a way that you do it within the BNI? So in your chapter, then other chapters, and in the outer world also, do you implement it in the other than BNI BNI chapter of the life?
So this term collaboration, we have heard numerous stories about it, where a lot of people, even Dr. over here, Vivek Bhai over here, they have done a lot of collaborations. With me, the same thing started, where we collaborated with a lot of our team members, our vendors, but taking this to the next level. When I started my journey as a BNI member, probably on an average we were doing 3-4 projects. Today I am doing 54 projects, that's today's count. That's 54 projects that I am doing, that's ongoing. Now for me to manage those 54 projects is not humanly possible. So what the next level of collaboration that I started was where I myself started collaborating with different architects and interior designers within BNI. That was the idea, that when I started my journey in having 3-4 projects, probably I was better at doing more. What I lacked was the opportunity, the number of projects. BNI gave me those opportunities. So similarly, there are a lot of other architects and interior designers who have a very good skill set, but probably they are lacking in the opportunities, the sales. If I have started getting more sales in BNI, why not pass it on? Why not give that exposure? Why not give them that platform to express themselves through their designs? And this is how a collaborative practice through Graphite Dust Design Bureau is what we started. And this is currently we are at having 9 collaborative partners from BNI who are working with us on our projects, on our clients.
Can you share any incidents which has given you the best of the dream, like maybe a dream kind of a referral, or maybe the highest amount of the thank you slip?
For me, yes, working with some really big names where probably I was not even eligible to pitch for. So the BNI office itself is a huge success story for me, where Mr. Yash Vasant, our ED, had access to all the BNI architects and interior designers, but he chose us. That says a lot about us.
So I'll just ask you a few of the questions which are out of the course and curriculum. So first question goes to you because they will be happy, if you answer this. Full form of CGST, SGST and IGST.
CGST, Central, CGC, Central Goods and Service Tax. State, Goods and Service Tax. Interstate, Goods and Service Tax. देख लेना यार, ठीक लगा.
Name any 4 BNI Ahmedabad chapters with 100 plus members.
So Anthropos, Atlas, Maximus.
Olympus, yes. Yeah.
That is why. So give the full form of PALMS.
PALMS. Presence, absence, late, medical substitute.
Good. So, mention any 3 coordinators of MC committee.
Policy and Procedure Coordinator, TYFCB Coordinator, Events Coordinator.
To the dentist, there is a sweet edible item mentioned in every BNI meeting speech. What is it? So this is specially curated by our...
By the dentist.
No, by the dentist, not by the dentist.
शुरू से शुरू करो बोलना. हम stop बोलेंगे.
She is also googling it.
Behind the camera जा रहे हैं हम. Please answer.
No, but there's no I challenge, but it's not on the president's state, but... Okay.
Oh, yes. Wow, so easy now.
Last question. What does BNI mean to you in one word?
Discipline.
An opportunity to live my dreams.
Power.
So you have different stories, different views about BNI, but BNI cumulatively brings us together, We don't feel like, we are not knowing each other. Like, even though we have not communicated maybe like more than 100 sentences, but we know each other so well because of the BNI. And this is the platform wherein, we are utilizing it. Right now we are in the first episode of Sicilian TV. We are, architect, a dentist and an entrepreneur with collaborative business, with gift partners, with so many people of you. So, there are different aspects of life which are taught in BNI, and we utilize this platform to showcase it to the public. So, let's hope for the best of the future for us, and all the best. Have a great day and great time in BNI. Yeah, thank you. Are you excited? Now we are going to witness an amazing story of Sicilian Spookified.
That's huge. That is a biggie.
What a brilliant knock. Countless sixers.
Yes, like he just doesn't believe in ones and twos.
But we can hit ones and twos. So that's my new business vertical. I know someone who might need this. Let me connect you with him immediately.
Our networker of the month are Nishchal Barod from Maximus and Akshay Kumar from Lazarus. So let's explore what they do. Akshay Kumar from Lazarus, the Broker Realty, is a premium real estate developer in Dholera. They deal in industrial land, commercial land, residential land as well as residential plotting schemes. Nishchal Barot is from BNI Maximus, Chemis Connect. They are the channel partner of Guinness World Record in India, having successfully attempted 47 world records for various brands, products, services and promotions. So here I welcome to the end of this episode. Why? Because I'm going to gift you something with ED's library. Our executive director Yash Vasant has recommended this book, that is The Rule of 10x. So every end has a new beginning. So let's begin with new stories, new achievements, and see you in next one. Do not forget to subscribe our channel, Sicilian TV. And I would like to again thank all of my team to make this episode possible. So Sicilians, signing off, Dr. Meet Ramatri from BNI. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell button below. Stay tuned. Signing off.